Hello guys, it's your boy Plasma Studios TV, and today I am going to show you guys how to build a small gas station in Minecraft. Not mentioning real life, just Minecraft. Something that I thought of myself. So yeah, anyways, I'll show you. So the first thing you need is light gray concrete. Second thing you need is blue concrete. Third thing you need is sea lantern. The fourth thing you need is a chest. The fifth thing you need is an item frame. The sixth thing you need is coal, which you're going to need a lot more than just 64. And the last thing you'll need is gravel, which will be the road. But yeah, anyways, let's get started. Before we mention, please click that like button and subscribe, and click that notification button so you can be notified on the new videos coming up. And let's get started. So I can place one block right here and count 3 more spaces. Place it right there. Next thing you'll do is pull out your blue concrete and build up by 3 on both sides. Now place light gray concrete on top of each other. Now build it in the middle and then spread this out by 1 block so that you will get this shape. Now next thing we'll do is place chests on each end of this and put them in the middle as well. Oh wait, no, not yet. But okay, don't do it. Place item frames on each end and in the middle. Next thing we'll do is use the gravel and dig in by 2, out by 2 right here. So when you do that, we will get this. Then eliminate the grass inside of here, and then replace it with gravel. Okay, now the next thing to do now is to place the chest exactly where the item frames are. And then place the coal inside of the item frames. Okay, now at this part, I am going to show you what you need to do. So you're going to have to repeat putting this in your inventory 3 times for each chest. Okay, so that's an example of all that. Just put it inside the chest. And I'll skip to the next part when I am finished. Okay, so now that we're finished, there are now 64 coal, and each column of this is now placed in every chest, which is what you should have done. And now tear 1 block off in the middle. Again, sea lantern. Place it right there to make a bright gas station. Now, if you want to cover the top of, you can, but I'm going to. So you need stone slab and just completely cover it up. And one more thing to mention, for this, you can use any color you want to for this. So yeah, you don't have to use blue. I'm using blue, so you can use white, black, or green, or whatever color you think would work the best for it. Then right here, one more task. Well, you can do this one. Again, use this and surround it if you want to. This is what I did, how I built it. And also here's the thing. Leave a gap of 2 open for this road to come sticking out. Now for this, I'm just gonna give it a little design, but when I first built it, I didn't even give it a design because, well, I didn't want to. So I'm just gonna add some like oak leaves around it. And now you should have a beautiful gas station that you can now use to building your flat or whatever world you're using it in. It's a simple small one that you can build, so won't take you long to build. Well, yeah, so I hope you liked this video. Please dabble on it, like button, dabble to the subscribe button, and also let me know what else I can build in Minecraft that I'm able to build. And peace.